Welcome guys, in this video we're going to show you how to connect to the sewage or black water system. First, you're going to want to go to the backmost storage on the driver's side and open it up. There's going to be gloves in there and you should put them on for hygienic protection. There is a tan box labeled poop items. Take that box and place it on the ground next to the sewage area. You can take out the black and orange slinky thing that is the sewage hose support system and the brown sewage hose. You can place the hose on the hose support system called the sidewinder while you grab the orange sewer adapter. Uncap the sewer and twist the adapter into the opening until it feels secure. Then, grab the brown sewage hose and connect the clear part to the orange adapter like so. Before you open the sewer outlet connection cap, make sure that the black and gray water valves are closed or pushed in. Warning, this part can be a little messy and things can leak out when you open it. Now be ready and connect the other end of the brown sewage hose onto the sewer outlet connection. Then grab the sidewinder and start supporting the hose so that it runs downhill into the sewer. Once everything is connected, walk around the RV to the black water valve. It should have already been pushed in, aka closed. So pull that valve out like so when you are ready. And you will see the black water rushing into the sewer. Once it clears out in about a minute or so, close the valve. You should always try to run the black water first and then the gray water, as the gray water will flush out any sewage left behind. Once you see the water stop running, you can close the gray valve. This part of the video is going to be the disconnection of it. Once you're ready to disconnect, you must make sure that all the valves are closed to start off with. Then you can disconnect the brown sewage hose from the sewer outlet connection. If your campsite has a double spigot like this, go ahead and rinse out that brown sewage hose while the other end is still connected to the city sewage outlet. This ensures that everything is nice and clean before we put it in the tan box. You can place the cap back onto the sewer outlet and take the brown hose and start folding it up like so. Open that tan box and start putting away everything just as how you found it. Tip, make sure all of the water is out of the sewage hose, just so there's no leakage inside the box. You're going to put the box back where you found it and make sure to throw away those gloves. And you did it!